Hi, I'm Renee and welcome to my channel. Today is a lovely day because I have a very special House of Sillage lipstick case unboxing. I'm just going to jump right in because I'm really excited about this case. So it comes sealed in a plastic covering. Okay, and you have the little flap that you use to flip up because the box is magnetic. And here we go. And I always love the inscription inside of the boxes. Inspiration and empowerment wrapped in the opulent beauty of the bow. Couldn't be more accurate. In this little packet, I believe it's just the care instructions. Yes. So, okay. And it comes in this lovely white leather case and a dust bag. And this is the Whispers of Truth Bow lipstick case from House of Sillage, limited edition. I am just too excited. And this is very special because I know you've mentioned my friend Yanni in prior videos. We met through House of Sillage. Basically, I was looking on Instagram for lipstick swatches because I was trying to pick a color to purchase. And I came across a post that she made where she was wearing the lipstick color Duke. And so I just left a comment saying, you know, thank you so much for sharing your swatch. And then from there, we started talking and just, it was very, very fast. Like, we've only known each other, I think, for about 2 months, but it was almost like an instant connection, like we're kindred spirits or something. But completely out of the blue, she sent me a gift card to the House of Sillage, and I was just floored. It was such a sweet and unexpected gesture, and so I used it towards the purchase of the Whispers of Truth lipstick case. Okay, so now let me go more about the case. So as you could see, it has like over 300 hand encrusted Swarovski crystals. There's also a few colorful little gems in there as well. And the limited edition case, it has gold detail. Now, I will show you quickly how to actually insert a lipstick, because when you order the case, you only get the case. It does not include a lipstick. So it's very simple. There's no turning or twisting of the cases. To open, you pull it apart. And then the lipstick, which I have one ready here, I have Queen. The piece that has House of Sillage written on it, you just take your lipstick insert, you push it in until you hear a click. There you go. That's it. And then you just turn from the bottom up and down. Now, as you can see here, the casing for my lipstick is silver. The trim of the Whispers of Truth case is gold. House of Sillage does offer 3 lipstick colors in gold casing to complement your gold trim Whispers of Truth or Whispers of Admiration lipstick cases. I have not purchased one yet. I probably will, just because I would like to see the gold. The 3 colors I believe that they have available in the gold casing is Baron, Queen. I'm sorry, I cannot recall the other one. I think it may have been Prince. So I will probably get a gold Queen to complement the gold tones in the Whisper of Truth and the Whisper of Admiration cases. And I'll do a quick swatch of Queen. So far I have 4 or 5 of the lipsticks, and Queen is my favorite one. It is such a gorgeous red. It gives such a beautiful pop of color to your face, and I think it is universally flattering on all skin tones. It's just a gorgeous color, and it's very comfortable to wear. Now when you're done, this is how you put the lid on. Okay, so if you notice how the top one side has 1 row of crystals and then the other side has 2 rows. Essentially, to know you're putting it on correctly, it's reversed. So the other side should have 2 rows of crystals and then 1 row on the bottom. And then again, you just push it into place. There's no turning or anything. This case is $295. However, the House of Sillage is having a fantastic sale right now on their website, houseofsillage.com, for 25% off. So if you were interested in this lipstick case, this is probably the perfect time to buy it. It will definitely make a fabulous Mother's Day gift. I can't think of anyone who would not appreciate something as beautiful as this. And they also have mystery boxes available that I truly think are fantastic as well. I have not ordered one myself, only because I know the specific lipstick cases that I'd like to get, and with the mystery vaults, you don't know what you're getting. So for that reason, I'm focusing more on buying the actual items that I absolutely know I would love to get. And going back to the details, again, the case comes with a white leather case. The box, even the details of the box, is gold trim to complement the gold trim of the limited edition case. I noticed that the lipstick cases from the Core collection and the Rainbow collection, the trim of the box is silver in color, just like the silver casing of the tube. Let me show you very quickly. I also have the Whispers of Admiration case. Again, gold trim. What is interesting is that let me move some of these out the way. The case for the Whispers of Admiration is pink. And it's not leather, it's like a velvet. It's very soft. And the dust bag is also pink to go with the case. And again, oh man, look, I just, okay, look at this. There's just something about these where no matter what, you just feel pretty. You feel luxurious. It's just just how can you not smile when you pull something like this out? It is just too magical. Man, and I don't recall what color I have in here. Can you pull it apart? There you go. Oh, I have Empress. Beautiful. This is definitely my second favorite color. And they're very comfortable to wear. And their lipsticks are made with diamond powder, and it is exactly what it sounds like. It's ground up diamond powder mixed into the lipstick formula. It has vitamin E in it. It's very nourishing to my lips, very comfortable to wear. This is such a treat. And okay, I know I've only done a few videos, but I think you could tell, like I said, when I get excited over certain products. So I actually have another lipstick case on the way. I am truly excited for that one as well. I will unbox that one. Actually, I have 2 more cases on the way, but I will only unbox one of them, and the other one I will just show it. But my little Sillage bow lipstick case family is definitely growing. I also have my red one here. So I don't know what else to say. I'll just let the cases speak for themselves. They are gorgeous. They are beautiful. Definitely one of my favorite purchases, luxury makeup purchases this year. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, follow, subscribe, share. I'm just saying stuff. Hit the notification bell. All of the social media stuff that you're supposed to do. But thank you so much for watching. Bye.